Hello and welcome. So today we have a very good news for you guys, and this is about Ahref, which has announced its own webmaster tool. Okay, and that is 100% free. So now what you will get in this webmaster tools, and how we can compare it with the Google WebMaster Tool actually, and how to use it effectively, and how to get data and all the details. So we will go through all these step by step, okay, in this video. So first of all, we will just start with creating an account. So it is really easy to create an account on Ahref. So you have to, like, you do not have to create a normal Ahref account, which is a paid one. Still, but you will get most of the tools within the Ahref for free once you are sign up for the webmaster tool of Ahref. Okay, so now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to ahref.com/AWT. All right, so which is Ahref Webmaster Tool, right? And then you just simply need to sign up. Okay, so you can sign up with the Google, or also with the your email. So I would like to just sign up with my email. Let's go with this one. Which one I have here? I don't know, but that's just for a test. Let's go with this one. Okay, it's pretty easy actually, and it's the same as you just log into other accounts. So let me just open up my email. Wait a second. All right, so we have emails from Ahref. You need to just click this. Okay, so yeah, our account has been just created. So now let's just give it a name here, whatever. Okay, oh, that's fine. No. Okay, let's see. All right, so now this is actually how we can verify our website or our domain name with Ahref, right? So if you have already submitted your website to Google search engine, then it is really easy just to click and import your website from Google search engine, right? And the second method is to do it manually, like so. And manual method, you have to copy the HTML code, right? For example, let me just show you here real quick. For example, my domain name is this, and this is my exact URL. Okay, and if it is continued, right there it is. So what you have to do here is you can choose any of these methods to verify your domain name, right? So whatever is easy for you guys to approve your website. So personally, I just use this one. If there is any HTML code, simply you have to just copy that and go and paste it in your header section of your website, right? But here we have another option, which is of Google, this one. So this is also pretty much easy, right? You can import all of your domains to Ahref. So I will use this one, right? So let's try this one. Okay, so let's click import, and this is going to fetch my data. I just click my email. All right, and okay. If you're not good to give an access and all the permissions to Ahref, so then you can choose the manual method. So that's up to you, by the way. Let's see. Yeah, here is all of your websites here, and you can select all of them or one by one. Okay, so just for example, or for this video, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click and select only one, a single one. So I'm going to select this one, and also this should be open, and crawler okay, yeah, it's also. So I'm going to just add this one. So let's just click and import. Let's see. All right, so our domain has been added, and the Ahref has started crawling our website. So it is not yet completed, and it will just take a little bit of time, and so it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, or it depends upon your website size and pages, right? So you can just say like refresh and see that it's working or not. So okay, so now for the sake of this video, let's go with the other website that I have already added here in Ahref. So let's click on this. Okay, and now what you can get with the Ahref Webmaster Tool, so you can actually access to the almost all of the important tools within the or important sections within the Ahref, which you had and the paid one, right? So now you can use it for free. For example, you can use the dashboard option, the site explorer, and the maybe no, none of these keywords explorer. Let's check. I don't know, but yeah. So you cannot use some of these tools because some of these are just still paid one, like site audit, and yeah, it's still the same. Actually, it's a home page. You can see on the dashboard, but rank tracker, no, you wouldn't be able to use that. And content explorer, no, and same goes with the other option as well. So but still we have received enough data of our websites that we can judge, and we can optimize our website, and we can see that what's going on with our website and which keyword is doing well. And the Google, for example, now if you want to just analyze your keywords and ranking and the backlinks and all the stuff, so you have now access to all of them. So for example, if I go to organic search, now here you can see the keywords, right? And you can see also the backlinks. Yeah, here are the backlinks, so you can also access to the backlinks. And so it's pretty much interesting, right? So before you get all this data, after when you paid for the basic package of the Ahref, which I don't know if it is $97 or something, but now you have all of these for free, right? You can use all of them. So yeah, you can use you can check the backlinks, and you can analyze the keywords. For example, let me just open up this keywords. All right, and yeah, now you can see all of these keywords are now open, and you can see unlimited keywords. I mean, how much you have in your ranking, right? So this is really amazing. And if you compare it with the Google Webmaster Tool, then obviously you will see a lot of change, and you will see the difference, right? So you can see the keywords and the position, volume, and keyword difficulty, CPC, and so on, right? So you can pretty much do your website audit or your client's website audit with this free Ahref Webmaster Tool. Okay, so for this video I think it's enough, and in the next video I will go and do a comparison between the Google WebMaster Tool and Ahref Webmaster Tool. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next video. Thank you.